Hello, this is postuploader.com. We provide Shopify and WooCommerce product uploading service, and we are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can easily create a coupon code for your WooCommerce store. Right now I am on a product. I want to click on add to cart. Now I want to proceed the checkout. After that, here have option to add coupon code. So I want to add a coupon code here, but right now I don't have any coupon code. So firstly, I need to create a coupon code, then I will apply here, then you will understand easily how to create a coupon code for your WooCommerce store. So I am going to my dashboard. I think you already have WooCommerce plugin on your store. To create coupon code, you have to come to this option, marketing option. So just hover on marketing. After that, you will get coupon code adding option, this option. So click on coupons. After that, click on add new coupon. Beside the text of coupon, there has a button for add new coupon. So click on add new coupon. After that, there has total three option. In general segment is total three option. So I want to give percentage coupon. For example, 5% coupon I want to give. So coupon amount, as I selected percentage coupon, so if I write here 5, that means it's 5% coupon. And they are asking for coupon expire date. So if you wish, you can give a expire date. For example, today is 30 November 2024. I want to give expire date till 31st December. And here you have to write that coupon code. So below there has generate coupon code option. So click on generate coupon code. So this is the coupon code. Or if you wish, you can write custom coupon code. For example, 5 off. So it will be your coupon code. So you can write manually or you can click on generate coupon code. Both will work perfectly. So I am using generate coupon code and copying this code and publish. So right now I want to use this coupon code here. I am clicking on add coupon and my total bill is 80 USD. So if I use 5% coupon code, then let's see how it's coming total. So I used that coupon code and clicked on apply. You see, as 5% coupon code discount, they are giving 4 USD discount. Okay, so now you understand how you can create percentage coupon code. But if you want to give a fixed coupon code, for example, $10 fixed coupon code, how you can create? So I can edit this one or I can create new one. That's not a problem. So I am clicking add new coupon. After that, I want to give fixed card discount or fixed product discount. Okay, fixed card discount and I am giving $10 discount and I am not giving any expire date. And after that, here I am generating a coupon code by clicking generate coupon code. So I am copying this code and publish. And if I use this new coupon code, so I am removing this one and adding new one. Apply. You see, right now it's giving $10 discount. It's the fixed price discount. If I use the third option, fixed product discount, then this coupon code will be valid for that fixed product which one you will select for this coupon code. Okay, after that I am coming to users restriction. I am making it zoom. Minimum spend. So you can give a amount. I mean, who are eligible for this coupon code, he or she has to spend a minimum amount. For example, if he spend 100 USD, then if he apply this coupon code, it will be applied. For example, I am giving here minimum spend 100 USD. Okay, I am updating this coupon code. I am adding that coupon code here. You see, it's saying the minimum spend for this coupon is 100 USD. And if I come to the next option, there's the maximum spend. So as the minimum spend, you can limit the maximum spend. For example, if anyone spend 500 USD, till 500 USD, this coupon code will applicable. Otherwise, it will not applicable. So you can set it. After that, individual use only. Check this box if the coupon can't be used in conjunction with other coupons. For example, a user already using 5% coupon code, and if he want to use another coupon code for 10 USD fixed coupon code, then if you select, then he can't use multiple coupon code together. And exclude sales item. If you wish, you can enable or disable it. And already I said, as third option, fixed product discount. If you select this and if you select the product from here, then only those product will get discount. Or you can exclude the product from here. You can select category, which category product will be discounted with this coupon code. You can select it from here. Even you can exclude the category from here. Even finally, if you wish, you can add allowed emails. I mean, you can give a specific email address. Those email user only will be valid for this coupon code. So users restriction part is done. After that, come to the users limit. First option is users limit per coupon. If you wish, you can give a limit here, like 100 people can use this coupon code. After using 100 people, it will be invalid. After that, limit users to X items. So for the any specific product or any specific item, you can give a limit. Okay, if you come to the last option, users limit per user. So if you give 5% discount coupon, so you can create a limit per user. I mean, one user can use only 2 times with this coupon code, or 3 times, or 5 times. So whatever you need, you can use 1, 2, 3, whatever. It's okay. So this is the way. By following this tutorial, you can create coupon code for your WooCommerce store, percentage base, fixed card base, or fixed product base. And you can set expire date and a single user how many times can use. Everything you can do from here very easily. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.